Meet the living proof Restore system that makes dry, damaged hair visibly healthier in just 2 weeks. Our nourishing shampoo and conditioner will smooth, correct, and protect your hair, while our mask treatment can be used once a week to provide deep conditioning. And finally, the Repair Leave-In transforms especially damaged hair by smoothing and correcting. Powered by our healthy hair molecule, Restore provides benefits that help make damaged hair visibly healthier. It leaves hair softer, smoother, and shinier, and makes hair 20 times stronger. The Repair Leave-In prevents 93% of new split ends caused by styling. Hair is 15 times stronger after just one use, and it protects against the damaging effects of UV rays. Here's how to use the Restore system. Start with Restore shampoo. Massage into a rich lather, then rinse. Then spread Restore conditioner through hair. Leave on for 2 minutes, then rinse. Add Restore mask treatment in place of Restore conditioner once a week for an even deeper conditioning treatment. On clean, wet hair, apply the mask treatment generously from roots to ends. Leave in for 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. For those who need added conditioning and repair, follow with 1 to 2 pumps of Repair Leave-In on damp hair, focusing on ends and dry areas. Apply more as needed, then style as usual. Try the Restore system today and see for yourself how healthy your hair can be.